Hello guys, welcome back. Get ready to upgrade your mobile experience. Here are the top 5 upcoming phones in April 2025, featuring cutting-edge tech, sleek designs, and innovative features. From flagships to budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and explore the future of smartphones. This is names Oppo Find X8, Sony Xperia 10-4, Google Pixel 9a XL versus Pixel 5 speed, Vivo V40 LITE unboxing, Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Oppo Find X8. Coming in at number 5. The Oppo Find X8 is a powerhouse of a smartphone that redefines the boundaries of innovation. With its sleek and durable design, this phone is built to last and make a statement. The Oppo Find X8 boasts an impressive 6.7-inch AMOLED display, providing vibrant colours and crystal-clear visuals. Powered by a large 4,500 mAh battery and fast-charging capabilities, this phone keeps up with your active lifestyle. Capture life's precious moments with the Oppo Find X8's advanced quad-camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor. With up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, this phone delivers seamless performance and ample storage for your favourite apps and files. Experience the future of smartphones with the Oppo Find X8. Number 4. Sony Xperia 10-4. Ranking 4th on our list, the Sony Xperia 10-4 is a stunning smartphone that embodies the perfect blend of style, substance, and innovation. This sleek device boasts a 6.1-inch OLED display, delivering vibrant colours and razor-sharp visuals. The Sony Xperia 10IV is powered by a fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 6955G chipset, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Capture life's moments with the phone's impressive triple-camera setup, featuring a 12-megapixel primary sensor. With a long-lasting 3,000 mAh battery and IP68 water resistance, this phone is built to withstand the demands of your active lifestyle. Experience the best of Sony's mobile expertise with the Xperia 10V. Number 3. Google Pixel 9a XL versus Pixel 5 speed. Securing the third spot, the Google Pixel 9a XL is a powerhouse of a smartphone that redefines speed and performance. This device is equipped with a large 6.2-inch OLED display, providing an immersive visual experience. Under the hood, the Google Pixel 9a XL boasts a fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. With Google's optimized software, this phone delivers seamless performance, outpacing even the Pixel 5 in some speed tests. Capture stunning photos with the phone's impressive 12.2 megapixel primary camera, featuring Google's renowned camera software. With timely software updates and a long-lasting 4,500 mAh battery, the Google Pixel 9a XL is the perfect choice for those seeking speed and reliability. Number 2. Vivo V40 LITE unboxing. Claiming the second spot, the Vivo V40 LITE is a feature-packed smartphone that offers an unparalleled mobile experience. This sleek device boasts a stunning 6.44-inch AMOLED display, providing vibrant colours and crystal-clear visuals. Under the hood, the Vivo V40 LITE is powered by a fast MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Capture life's moments with the phone's impressive 50-megapixel primary camera, featuring advanced AI-powered features. With a large 4,200 mAh battery and 44-watt fast charging, this phone keeps up with your active lifestyle. The Vivo V40 LITE also features an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock for enhanced security. Experience the perfect blend of style, substance, and innovation with the Vivo V40 LITE. Number 1. Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Taking the top spot, the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is a game-changing smartphone that redefines the boundaries of innovation. This stunning device boasts a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, providing a seamless and immersive visual experience. powered by a fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This phone delivers unparalleled performance. Capture life's moments with the phone's advanced 50-megapixel primary camera, featuring advanced AI-powered features. With a large 4,500 mAh battery and 68-watt fast charging, this phone keeps up with your active lifestyle. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion also features an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock for enhanced security. Experience the ultimate smartphone experience with the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So guys, that's all for the top 5 upcoming phone in April 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.